Right Honorable Speaker. Right Honorable Speaker, may the minority leader give me his ear. Right Honorable Speaker, I am supremely surprised that the Honorable Darko, being the lawyer that he is saying that a statute duly enacted by this House for purposes of the implementation of a constitutional provision should be set aside in the interest of so-called performance of legislative duties. In fact, no, this is very important. We enacted the Right to Information Act, and we saw it fit and proper in the implementation of the right to information under Article 21 of the Constitution to say that certain aspects of public information may be exempted from disclosure. And Section 13 of the Act, 13.1, is specific that opinions, expressed in the normal course of the performance of the duties of a ministry, department, or agency of government is exempt from disclosure. Despite the fact that when the honorable member made the request, there was no reference to the Right to Information Act. There was no reference to the Right to Information Act. But I can say, Mr. Speaker, that this was a public disclosure, in all its dimensions. And in fact, I was asked to provide the memorandum. I was not asked to disclose the content of the memorandum. There's a well of difference between the two. Production of documents is a different matter altogether from from disclosure of the information. And the disclosure of the information is what is regulated by the RTI. When it comes to the production of documents, under Article 103(6) of the Constitution, it is only committees of parliament that are vested with the power to compel the production of documents. And that is why I told the honorable member that if he's asking that we should produce the document, he does not have that power as a single member of this House to compel the Attorney General to produce that document. In any case, the opinion was provided by the DPP, that is the Director of Public Prosecutions, to the former Attorney General, and government is a continuum. Based upon that opinion which was expressed, I took the decision and I took ownership of that decision. I took responsibility. So contrary to the assertion by the honorable minority leader that I took that decision because of the memorandum, and therefore I wasn't the one who took the decision. I took the decision, and I take responsibility for it. But in justifying the taking of the decision, I refer to the memorandum, and I can tell you in all honesty, and I'm acting with integrity before this House, that memorandum is in existence, but it is exempt under the Right to Information Act. I thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. Thank you.